again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I've got something to show you from Aimeili, but this, I didn't buy this and it wasn't sent over to me from Aimeili either. This was a birthday gift from Nails by Cami. She had this sent over to me from Amazon, and she also had me this sent over. I think these were on my wish list, and she's very lucky because I haven't touched I did a wish list about, gosh, 18 months ago, and I've not touched it since. I didn't even know it was still on there, but luckily I haven't got these. So she's gone on my wish list and got me these, because yeah, the girls, they never know what to get me, and I think that's why a lot of us make wish lists, because yeah, it's hard work when we've got everything. We've got a little bit of everything. It's so difficult to buy each other gifts. So yeah, she's sent me these over for my birthday, and they are, quickly guys, before I swatch these, I'm going to give them a quick swatch. These are Builder in a Bottles, so I'm really excited for them. You all know I love my Builder gels and Builder in a Bottle, but quickly I want to show you, I had two gifts sent over actually. One was for my birthday, and one of them was because I was really ill and I was stuck in bed for a week. Both off the same person. So firstly, I had these sent over, and these were from Nails by Sue. She's such a sweetheart. And the hot chocolate shots, because she knows I love my hot chocolates for bed. So she had me them sent over. How sweet and thoughtful. And also for my birthday, to match it, a great big hug in a mug. Isn't that adorable? So sweet. Yeah, both of these ladies have got YouTube channels. If you're not already subscribed to them, I'll leave their links below. They both do nail art. Cami does the most amazing AliExpress hauls and Shein hauls. So if you're looking for nail art products and stuff, she's the place to go. And Sue, she does a little bit of everything. Acrylic, builder gels, poly gels, she does it all, and she's good at it. Right, so I don't want this video to be long, so let's get on with it. So yeah, these are Aimeili Builder in a Bottles. I think they do a couple of different sets. I think they maybe have like a pink set, a nude set, a sheer set. I'm not sure. It says there Aimeili 5-in-1 Builder Base Gel Set. I'm not quite sure which set this is, but we're going to swatch them anyway. I love Aimeili bottles because they're always pink and cute. Yeah, so their Builder in a Bottles are called Builder Base. So let me get these all out and we'll give them a quick swatch. Right, so these are all numbered 160 up to 165. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight in and swatch them. These are 10ml bottles. And guys, I'm not sure about the Builder in a Bottles, but I have just recently found out, I didn't know, Aimeili gel polishes are all HEMA free. I didn't know that. Yeah, I've got a discount code for Aimeili as well. I'll leave the website and everything in my description box. But these have come from Amazon. Right, let's just get them swatched, shall we? So this one looks like a sheer kind of nudie colour. Let's go. Oh, it's a nice thick consistency as well. It's a nice thick Builder in a Bottle. Gosh, this is so difficult to swatch builder gels, because you can't swipe it. Say it, don't spray it. You can't swipe it when you're swatching it on the underside of the stick like this. I probably will do a couple of layers just to give you a true likeness of what the colour would be on your natural nail. Depends what you're using it for though. Builder in a Bottles a lot of the time get used just to add a bit of strength to a natural nail, so you just put it on in a thin coat, or you can use them to actually build a nail where you would need it quite thick. So I will do a couple of layers because I use them to build nails, so I like to see them quite thick. Oh, that's not too sheer actually. Yeah, that's like a sheer-ish kind of nude, isn't it? I like it. So these cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'll do another one with you, and I'll probably speed through the rest just so the video doesn't get too long. and I'm going to do something with this in my next video, probably. Dying to use it. Gosh, can't get the lid off. There we go. So this one is like, oh, this one's like a really deep kind of nude, but it's got like a pinky rosy tone to it. I hate describing colours, but you can see them. I can never get it off my brush in these swatch sticks. I'm so sorry if I look so unprofessional, but I am. Yeah, it is a thick builder. This is going to be nice to work with, just not in swatch sticks. These are a nightmare. Yeah, this is like a really deep, I'd call it like a really deep rose kind of colour. And this is a little bit sheer as well. I like it. Yeah, I will give that a second little coat in a minute. I like that. My camera's not right clever today. Yeah, I like that. It's like a deep rose kind of colour, isn't it? So let me stick that in the lamp. Right, guys, I'm just going to fly through the rest of these. And then I'll be back in a sec. Right, guys, I've just top coated the back of these so they're not sticky. So whilst they're curing in the lamp, shall we do this one? So this is Silcare Base 1. It's a builder gel, 30 gram. And I've wanted to try one of these for so long. Oh, look at that colour. And it's a huge pot. Love this colour. So let's give this a quick swatch. Oh, I like the consistency. Exactly how I like my builders. That's nice. I like that a lot. Yeah, I like this a lot. Thank you, Cami. This is a good present. I do like that. Yeah, it's not, it does self-level, but it's very thick, so you've got time. You've got time to work with it, and it's not going to flood your cuticles or anything, but it will self-level. Oh yeah, this is nice. Very creamy and opaque as well. I've put this on in a really, really thin coat. Really thin coat, actually, and it's, yeah, it's like full cover. That's an ultra, ultra thin coat, like barely anything on it. And look at it. Oh wow, I like that colour a lot. Right, I'm going to stick that in a lamp for 60 seconds. I'm just going to top coat the back of it so it's not sticky. And then we'll have a look at all these goodies. Right, guys, so this is the Aimeili Builder in a Bottles. I really like these. This is something I haven't got at all. I haven't got a collection of builder gels that are slightly sheer like this. And just recently I've needed some. This is the reason I ordered recently the Born Pretty rubber base gels, because they're quite sheer. And there's been a few designs I've wanted to do and just not had what I needed. So I'm really happy with these. I think this is my favourite colour, this one here. I really like that. I like that, that's nice as well. Even these nudes, They're quite unique, but I like them. I like all of them. Oh, I think that's my favourite actually. So yeah, that's Aimeili's Builder in a Bottles. They have got other sets, other colours, I think. Don't quote me. I really like them. Thank you so much, Cam. Right, and so this Silcare base one is this. Look at this colour. Ooh, that's very pretty, isn't it? Very pretty colour. Oh, it's very similar to this polygel I'm wearing. I like it a lot. And it's a huge 30ml pot. I love the consistency of that. And these Builder in a Bottles as well are quite thick. I like the consistency of them as well. But anyway, guys, that's it for today. Just a quick swatch video, and I wanted to say thanks to Cami and Sue. I'll leave both their channel links below. If you're not subscribed, head over there and hit their little bell. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, anyway, guys, I'll leave links to all this below. And I've got a discount code for the Aimeili website. I'll leave that below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.